Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to display your name on home screen in Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's begin. So firstly tap and hold on the empty space, then go to settings. Now find this option, lock home screen layout. If it is turned on, then turn it off first and close it. Now open Notes application. Now here create a new notes and type your name here. Like this, and select the text to change the font color. Tap on T and select the color. Select the color as according to your needs. Then you can also change the font size. Or you can add some characters also, like this. Now just tap on these three dots and tap here, add to, and select this option, home screen. Tap on it and close it. Now my text or my name has been displayed here. So now to make the background transparent, tap and hold on the text again and click on settings. Now just turn off the background to make it transparent and save it, and you can adjust the position as per your requirement. You can see here I have displayed my name on the home screen on my Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So that's how you can easily add any text or your name on the home screen in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you are finding this video useful for you, or if you are never known about this trick before, click on the like button and share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching my video.